Welcome to Auckland, New Zealand, city of sails and a paradise for adventurers and culture enthusiasts alike. Join us on a remarkable journey through Auckland's stunning landscapes, diverse experiences, and the vibrant culture that defines it. Our adventure begins on the glittering waterfront, where the Waitematā Harbour meets the city. Explore Waiheke Island's vineyards, beaches, and art scene, just a ferry ride away. Immerse yourself in history at the Auckland War Memorial Museum, a treasure trove of the Maori and Pacific Island artifacts. Indulge in Auckland's culinary delights, from fresh seafood at the viaduct to the flavors of the world at Otara Market. Sip on award-winning New Zealand wines while enjoying breathtaking vineyard views. Seek adventure in Auckland's backyard. Explore the lush rainforests of the Waiheke Ranges, or kayak to the Oraki Gulf Islands for encounters with dolphins and penguins. If you're a thrill seeker, don't miss the opportunity to skydive over the stunning coastline. Celebrate culture with Auckland's vibrant festivals and events, from Pacifica to Diwali. Dive into the city's diverse neighborhoods, each with its unique character and traditions. Discover the contemporary and traditional art at the Auckland Art Gallery. Venture beyond Auckland to the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, or visit the enchanting Hobbiton movie set for a taste of Middle-earth. As the sun sets over Auckland's skyline, the city's spirit invites you to explore its many facets. Hit the like button, share the adventure with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content. Whether you're a nature lover, a foodie, an adrenaline junkie, or a culture enthusiast, Auckland extends its warm hospitality to you. Discover the magic, and let New Zealand's largest city inspire your journey.